Welcome Senior High School. This is your Subject Orientation 2 dated August 25, 2020. This is the King's College of the Philippines, the Basic Education Department, Senior High School. This is your Subject Practical Research 2 to all enrolled Grade 12 Senior High School. This is the orientation week dated August 24 until 28, 2020. This is our lecture. Your teachers is composed of yours truly, Sir Julsen L. Cupite. I will be handling all TVL. Ma'am Myra G. Bentadan shall be handling all ACAD Humes. Ma'am Brenda D. Pago shall be handling ACAD STEM. And Ma'am Marisa B. Oito shall be handling ACAD Humes. Dear student, it is with great joy and delight to welcome you in your new learning classroom. Given our situation where we're physically separated, this will not stop us from learning the community of knowledge. Hence, we would like to assure you that through this distance education, supported by various learning modalities such as the modules, printed materials, videos, and the use of various online platforms, we are here to provide you the academic assistance and educational support you need. We'd like to introduce to you the concept of distance education, so-called asynchronous and synchronous distance education. When we say asynchronous distance education, these are pre-recorded videos, meaning to say they are finished, done, tapos ng mga video to, at natapos namin sa school. We also have the synchronous, meaning to say these are the live chats, these are the live deliberations, live classrooms, and live video calls to your teachers. However, we will not be availing synchronous. Instead, your school, King's College of the Philippines, will be availing the asynchronous distance education, meaning everything here is pre-recorded. It's done, it's finished already. You can watch them at your own pace and convenience. The question is how we're going to access that. You can access the videos via YouTube channel. We will be introducing to you the links and the channel, and we will be sending you the links where you can watch them through your teachers, okay? Now, what is practical research 2? Part of your education is to understand your subject. What is practical research 2? Practical research is generally directed at finding answers to matters of concern to the world and our existential problems from our day-to-day living, such as research solving problems like pollution, climate change, product design, and satisfaction rates. Thus, practical research studies actual phenomena through experiments, simulation, investigations, or literature review type of research. So what are the contents of your module? Your module is composed of 4. A. Objectives indicates the goals of which you will fulfill at the end of every lesson. B. Key concepts. These are the collections of ideas, concepts, knowledge, and information that will work together to help you comprehend the lesson. Learning tasks. These are small activities intended to check your content knowledge at the end of the module. And D, the assessment. This is the overall evaluation of your learning endeavor from the modules. So, what are the expected learning goals in this subject? At the end of this module, at the end of this module, you will be able to generally understand the importance of research, identify the various parts of research, differentiate quantitative tools of research, research designs, sampling methods, conceptual frameworks, procedures, and various processes. You will be crafting a research proposal and apply the basic theories that you will be learning along this subject. Now we will be introducing you this we call this dashboard. Dashboard is the collections, the components of all the lessons that we will be covering from August until October. So basically for week 1, we are currently conducting the general orientation and subject orientation of this school and how we're going to finish this module. After week 1, we will proceed on week 2, of which we will begin on September 1st week, and we are now in the lesson 1, and that will be covered by describe, illustrate, and many other concepts that we will be covering. Now it says here number of hours, meaning to say the 4 hours means to say in a day we will not spend 4 hours, instead just 1 hour. So from Monday 1 hour, Tuesday 1 hour, Wednesday an hour, and Thursday 1 hour, and that is totally 4 hours. So you'll be expecting that we will be seeing for almost like Monday until Thursday, or sometimes we can extend until Friday. Okay, all right, that's it. So your orientation is scheduled on August 26, Wednesday. Please remember all the stipulated guidelines here. You may now proceed to your orientation 3. Okay, and all right.